What's going on, fam? I hope you guys are all having a great day. And if you guys are interested to learn exactly what I did to scale over $1,000 my first 30 days of dropshipping, stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see step by step exactly what I did to scale over $1,000 so you can implement my strategies in your journey to dropshipping. Alright everyone, I hope you guys are all excited to find out the 3 simple strategies that I use to gain over $1,000 in the first 30 days of dropshipping. But before we get into this video and the steps, I just want to let you guys know that this ain't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to make $1,000 or $100,000 or like even $100 if you're not going to put the effort and the time to make this happen, to make this work. Because it's just like anything that's worth having or worthwhile takes effort and hard work. If people are telling you there's a get rich quick scheme for like anything, they're lying to you or they're just trying to make a buck off of you. So just be wary, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be transparent as possible. I'm going to let you guys know exactly the 3 steps that I use, and mainly you got to put the time in. You got to be consistent, and you have to have a foundation. You can't just get somewhere. You can't just get $1 million without any assets or something below to have a stable foundation. Like, if you don't have that, it'll come crumbling down. So remember to build your foundation. Is the most important part to be successful online. So that being said, let's just get into the steps. So here are the 3 steps. So mainly for each step, I'm going to go over them. I'm going to give a quick overview about them, and then I'm actually going to hop on my laptop and show you each step by step, how I would do it, so you have like a visual idea of how you should get it done and a verbal ideal when I'm actually going to explain it all to you. So well, the first step is build a sellers list, at least 100 people. So mainly when I say build a sellers list, it means build a sellers list of drop shippers on eBay. Not any random sellers on eBay. You have to make sure they're drop shippers, because the idea of a sellers list is you get items from said drop shippers to post on your store when you find profitable items. But before you even find profitable items, you need a sellers list. So remember, you need a sellers list to get started before you move on to step 2 and 3. So mainly how I would look for a sellers list of how I would look for a seller to put on my sellers list is mainly I'll find like a random item. I'll make sure if I see a common item frequently and I'll see it's a drop shipper, I'll make sure that I'll check the name, check how many times it's selling, and check the description and see if I can find the item. If I can find the item on like Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, or whatever, same item and everything, he's a drop shipper. Most likely like 99.8 times out of 100, he's a drop shipper. So just remember, that's how you find a drop shipper. And I'll show you exactly what I'll do on eBay, like show you how I would find these and like how I'll find a drop shipper, so on and so forth. So that being said, let's go on to step 2, and mainly it's going to be, sorry, I can't even highlight it correctly. Okay. Oh my God, get out of here. Okay. Mainly it's going to be list items from your sellers list that you can still make a profit from. So mainly this is not the most important step, but it's basically close to it, because a lot of people think they're okay when they find a seller's list and they find out, okay, I got the seller, he's selling like 1,000 items, oh my God, like he's making profits, this and that, blah blah blah. But are you sure if you post that, would you make a profit? And that's where they get it twisted, because usually you have to be really thorough and make sure you post an item that you can still profit from and still have a great margin, because a lot of times sellers will post an item on their eBay store, and they will use like cashback programs or certain coupons or whatever to get more back from the said transaction. So you have to make sure that when you find the supplier of the person that's selling the item that you think is going to be a good item to post on your list, make sure that you can still profit from that. And in multiple videos I showed you certain tools that you can use. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check out those videos. However, I'll just do a quick overview of the tools when I actually go step by step with each steps, when I show you exactly how to get number step 2 done. So remember, make sure you actually find profitable items for you. if you see a seller that has a profitable item, it doesn't mean it's going to be profitable as much as that seller compared to you posting it on your store. So just remember, it could be kind of confusing, but just remember, don't just think it's going to be profitable if you see on someone else's seller store. So that being said, the last step, which is the most important step of them all, is list a minimum of 5 items every day. So this is where like the rubber meets the road, because a lot of people fall off on this step. A lot of people think, okay, I could do this. It's simple. Let me actually, some people fall off from step one, to be honest. Like really, a lot of people are not consistent. It's just it's facts, and a lot, that's why a lot of people think, oh, I can't drop ship. Oh, drop shipping is dead in 2018. No, it's not. It's not dead. You just don't have the ambition. You don't have the hard work mentality to actually put the time in, put your butt on the chair, and actually list. So I really hope whoever is watching this video is actually a hard worker, and they will put in the time and they are consistent. Because listen to 5 items every day is easier than it seems, especially if you followed step one correctly. Because how I look at it for step one seller to me is like what, like probably like $10 or $20 a month. So honestly, think about it. If you have 100 sellers, do the math. So the more sellers you have, the more money you'll make. That's your money maker. That's like that's like your bank. Like you don't have the money yet. Like it's a bank, but they're pending your money. Like your money's pending at the moment. Like think of it like that. Like your sellers is locked up right now, and their items are locked up. And for you to withdraw money, you have to find out which one's the highest bill, which one's $100, that key item, and then you withdraw that on your seller's list, and that's when you see the money, and everyone wins. So mainly think of it like that. You need to have the assets in the bank to actually withdraw the money, which is the 5 items every day. You have to withdraw $500 bills every day on your store. So remember, just be consistent. If you're consistent, dude, this is gonna be cakewalk for you. You will make probably more than me, because I had a hard time in the beginning being consistent about this, because it was like a new habit I was building. Like I'm being transparent as possible. I wasn't completely like I was motivated, but I wasn't so diligent as I should have been in the beginning, which I would have made more sales. But we live and we learn. So like just be diligent about what you're doing. Make sure you're finding profitable items and you listen to them every day. It's not that hard. It takes, dude. After you follow these steps and I show you like step by step, like visually, you will understand exactly how you'll be able to make um, whatever goal that you're trying to hit. For me, it was $1,000. I hit that in sales because I just want to start off small. For me, I wanted to start small just to make sure this is something real. I don't want to set a goal too high right off the bat when I'm testing something out. And I found out the strategy is the best strategy for you to see results fast. So just keep that in mind. So I hope you guys understand this overview. I will now go step by step in each step to show you exactly what I'll do when I'm following these steps on eBay. So hold on a little bit and I'll take you to the computer.
12 seconds later.
Alright, plot twist. I already made a video showing this visual representation. And I low-key forgot about it because I didn't even get that much views from it, since it was like way back when I kind of started this channel. So if you guys want to see a visual representation of these steps, I'll put the link in the description below and you guys can check that out. So that being said, I really hope you guys benefited from this video and you found something helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. And also, if you actually are seeing success in this, please leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing. I love to chat and network with a lot of you guys. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below of that video, and if you have the links of videos relating to this video that you might find beneficial on your journey to drop shipping. So with that being said, I hope you guys all have a great day, and until next time, signing off.